Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Honda Accord key fob. First, identify your specific key fob model to ensure you have the correct replacement battery. You'll typically need a small flathead screwdriver to open the casing. Make sure you have a new battery, often a CR1616 or CR2032, ready to go. This simple process can save you a trip to the dealership. Now let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot or seam along the edge of the fob. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this opening. Gently twist or pry to separate the two halves of the casing. Be patient and use minimal force to avoid scratching or breaking any plastic tabs. The goal is a smooth, controlled separation. With the fob open, you'll see the small circular battery. Before removing it, take a quick mental note or even a picture of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Gently pry out the old battery using your screwdriver. Now, insert the new battery, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces the same direction as the old one. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them firmly together until they snap securely into place. Once it's closed, test all the buttons, like lock, unlock, and trunk release, to ensure everything is working correctly. You've successfully replaced your key fob battery. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.